Hello, and welcome to My Money Grows, where we discuss all things finance. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that has been gaining popularity in recent years. While it is a new and highly volatile market, there are several ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Here are 4 ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Number 1. Trading. Trading is one of the most popular ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Just like the stock market, you can buy and sell cryptocurrency on exchanges. You can make money by buying low and selling high, or by using technical analysis to predict future price movements. However, it's important to note that cryptocurrency trading can be highly volatile, so it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved. Number 2. Mining. Mining is another way to make money with cryptocurrency. Mining involves using your computer's processing power to solve complex mathematical equations and verify transactions on the blockchain. In exchange for verifying transactions, miners receive a reward in the form of new cryptocurrency. However, mining requires expensive equipment and high electricity costs, so it's important to calculate the potential profitability before investing in mining. Number 3. Staking. Staking is a way to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. Staking involves holding a certain amount of cryptocurrency in a wallet and earning a reward for helping to secure the network. The reward is paid in the form of additional cryptocurrency. Staking is a low-risk way to make money with cryptocurrency, but it does require a minimum amount of cryptocurrency to be held in a wallet. Number 4. Initial coin offerings. Initial coin offerings, or ICOs, are a way to invest in new cryptocurrency projects. ICOs involve investing in a new cryptocurrency before it is launched. If the project is successful, the value of the cryptocurrency can increase, resulting in a profit for investors. However, it's important to note that ICOs can be highly risky and many projects fail, resulting in a loss of investment. Those were the 4 ways on how to make money with cryptocurrency. If you're interested in any of these methods, be sure to do your research and consult with professionals to determine which option is best for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.